Will Perplexity beat out other search engines like Google? Well, Perplexity just launched their new feature, Perplexity Pages. We're going to dive through it, walk you through step by step. Let's dive right in. All right, so quickly, background. If you're not familiar with Perplexity, it is an amazing AI tool. I use it every single day. A few key things to note. One, there is a free plan. So even if I was to go to Perplexity.ai in a incognito window, the great thing is you can literally, I mean, just like ChatGPT now, but they've had this for a while. You can literally use it without having to be logged in. You can access a lot of the features. Okay, so you can't access threads, but you can create a free account and access all of that. Another cool thing is you can download their iOS app, their Android app, as well as their Chrome default search, as well as their AI companion. So they have an AI companion that looks like this, Chrome extension. So you can ask it right here. And you can also download the Chrome default search, which changes it in your settings. So for example, if I search how to eat cake, right? It's automatically searching in Perplexity. The reason I do that is because, yeah, some people have Google, some people have Bing. Perplexity just is a lot better, right? Especially now, we've seen the big major fail with Google's whatever, I can't even remember the name, but there was a lot of major fails by them recently, especially with their AI search at the top. I forget the names. I forget the name right now, but yeah, you've probably heard of it. Their AI thing they launched for the search engine. There are some major fails from them regarding that. Now, Perplexity, if you go to Discover, it will show you like all the trending stuff. And then your home is just like the home page where you can ask it stuff. There is focus, so you can toggle between, you know, different ways it's going to search the web. So either the entire web, academic, writing, Reddit, YouTube, Wolfram Alpha, and then you can attach stuff, as well as if you have the pro version, you can do pro, which basically makes the search quality a bit better. It has a bit more features. I'm not going to dive into that right now. Also, one last thing before I dive into pages, go to your profile. So I am on the pro subscription, and they do have a Discord. You can join and check it out. But this is another really good thing I like about it. You can switch between different models, which is super, super cool. So at the end of the day, I mean, you could look at it like this. Like right now, I'm paying for a few different AI tools like Anthropic, ChatGPT, Perplexity, XAI, etc. Right? So I'm maybe paying like $100 a month, something like this, just on AI tools. Well, if I really wanted to save money, or if you're maybe on a budget, or you just want to be smart about your money, whatever, or you're not really like obsessed with AI, you just need one really good tool, Perplexity may be the tool for you. Because if you go over to the subscription, it's $20 a month, and you can literally access all these different models with Perplexity. You can access Sonar Large 32K, which is their advanced trained model by Perplexity, which is based on Llama 3.7B. You can access GPT-4o, the latest advanced OpenAI model. You can access GPT-4 Turbo. You can access Claude 3 Sonnet and Claude 3 Opus, which is pretty crazy. And like, there's no extra charge. Like when they're using GPT-4 Turbo, the only way they're able to use this, at least from my knowledge, would be through the API. At least from what I would see, because GPT-4 Turbo isn't even available within ChatGPT, the normal front end interface. So I'm assuming Perplexity is using it through their API. And if you're using GPT-4 Turbo, it's more expensive than GPT-4, and it can rack up pretty quickly. But everything's just all included in Perplexity for only $20. So it's really cool. They also have an API. You can access it, and you can make really cool stuff. And they have image generation models like their own right here, DALL-E 3 and Stable Diffusion. All right, enough about Perplexity. We're going to get into pages now. Yeah, so way you access pages, because I didn't know how to access them initially, is over on library. You can click the plus. Here's your threads. Here's your page. Here's your collection. So we're going to add a new page. This is what it's going to look like. All right, so what's your page going to be about? Let's just say how to create viral YouTube videos, right? audience. So this is really cool as well too. You can select your audience. Is your audience intended for anyone? Is it intended for beginners, so optimized for beginners to understand without previous knowledge? Or is it experts? Uses more technical terms and references advanced concepts. So let's just say, I mean, we could just say anyone for now. It gives you some prompts here too, if you want to create some of those, but now we're just going to click go. All right. And Perplexity is going to do its magic. Also too, while this is loading, I'm just going to show you something else. Actually, I'll let this load first. All right. So you can see here, we got a nice image that it's automatically pulling of YouTube. And look at this. It's literally generating. This is really crazy. So it's writing everything for me, of course. So we got the headlines, analyzing success of viral videos, the role of engagement, and you can see it's listing all the sources here. So this is a really cool thing about Perplexity. Like, even if I just do a normal thread search, like how to go viral on YouTube, so you get an idea of what the search looks like. I'll do the pro search. That's what it looks like. So pro search, it's searching how to go viral on YouTube. It's reading. You can see it's reading all these resources, right? I could click on these and see them. It's citing all the sources here. It's giving me the answer, optimizing SEO, etc. And it's going to pull images over here. You can ask follow-up questions. Really cool stuff. So here's what the page looks like though. So a few key things to note. Here's the image. We can drag it up. We can reposition it. We can change it right here. So we can select different things, change it, etc. We can also generate an image. So we can generate, we can choose our style. So painting, photograph, illustration, diagram. So that's really cool. Like, we can upload image and we can use their AI. So we can use like DALL-E 3 or Stable Diffusion, whatever model you set. I mean, in order to change all that, you do need the pro version, just so you know. And also too, guys, if you don't have pages enabled yet, this is a new feature. They're rolling it out. So you may or may not be able to use it yet. But yeah, you should probably, most people should probably start seeing it now. Since it's been a few days now. So let's just do painting. All right. So we're going to generate a painting for YouTube. And boom. Wow. Pretty cool. Play button's a little messed up here, but we could use that. Let's say, for example, creating viral YouTube videos may seem like a matter of luck, but there are proven strategies that you can use to increase your chances of success by understanding what causes videos to go viral and following best practices for creating compelling content. You can give your videos the best chance of being shared widely and racking up millions of views. Right, so as you can see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 different paragraphs. Let's say I want to add a section in between first paragraph and second paragraph. Let's do that. We can either choose if that's text, and media, just media alone. We could add a table if we wanted to. We could add a list. We could make it concise, succinct, and to the point, delivers information efficiently, or detailed, thorough, and in-depth, provides complete explanations. Let's just do thorough. Don't even know what I clicked there, but as that's generating. Okay, so collaborating with influencers, giving some strategies on this. Of course, every single part is citing the sources here. We can click here, we can see these sources. So 5 sources on analyzing viral videos, and we can see them. We could also remove the sources too if we wanted to. So you can see this is an in-depth explanation, and this is actually really insane, to be honest. This could potentially change like the future of just like writing. I mean, there are tools like this, there are AI tools, but Perplexity is just so powerful with their search capabilities and research that this just makes it really, really powerful. And if you haven't used Perplexity, it may be hard for you to understand why it's different than a lot of other AI tools. But trust me on this, it just, once you start using it, and you will see. So it'll give you some suggested stuff here, which is really cool. Let's just say, building, emotional connection. We want it concise for this time. Maybe we want a table. And okay, maybe we want optimal video length. That would probably, like, you know, give some numbers with a video, image, some text, and I believe a table it should give us. Yep. So we got the table going here. Really cool stuff. So yeah, we're literally like, I mean, if you're a writer, a blogger, this is, you know, this is just perfect for you. You're creating a blog post in minutes. We're going to add a media here. Boom. Let's just add another media here. Boom. Okay, now we're going to add a section. We're going to call this creating emotional story arcs. Like, I mean, come on. This is insane. I mean, yeah. I mean, if you're a university student or in school or something, I mean, this is like the perfect tool to use to write your essays. Of course, you want to run it through another AI tool to make it undetectable. Not suggesting you should do that, but I'm just saying, I mean, everyone's really leveraging AI. This is really the future, whether you like it or not. Now that the cat's out of that the hat, there's really no going back with this type of technology. Businesses are leveraging AI agents to obviously cut costs, and this is just insane. I think Perplexity is a huge player in the space that, I mean, now they're getting a lot more notoriety. They have been for a while, but this is like, they have potential to really take on some of the bigger dogs, especially when it comes to search. There is no other tool that can compare to Perplexity at the moment I've personally seen for search and research capabilities that's public to the market at $20 a month. So yeah, I really think the pages are really cool. You can publish them right here, and creating a viral YouTube videos is live on Perplexity. Link copied. So let's copy the link. So I even saw someone basically say, oh, why would you want to publish this on Perplexity? Like, that's no value. Well, obviously you can literally just, if I wanted to use this for a blog post, simple copy and paste, put it into your WordPress site or whatever the case may be, and you're good to go. And edit the page and share the page on platforms, etc. So this is a gist of Perplexity, Perplexity pages at least, and I think it's amazing. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below if you have any questions. Also, too, guys, if you want to stay up to date with our daily uploads of videos on AI, automations, leveraging AI and automations in your business, in your personal life to always be improving those two areas, make sure to subscribe, make sure to like this video, and stay tuned because I got some really good value coming to for you guys. Really cool stuff, and I'm excited to share it with you guys. I'm really going to be coming from the mindset of holding nothing back and just giving so much value to you guys. So that's something that sounds interesting to you. Make sure to smash that subscribe button. Check my analytics the other day. A lot of people who watch these videos aren't subscribed. So yeah, if you watch them a lot and you like this type of content, then I'd appreciate it. Also, too, guys, if you're not in our free Stride community, link for that will be in the description down below. We have almost 700-ish members in our Discord and our Facebook combined. So check that out. And then also, too, guys, I launched my audio cut out there, but yeah, my book client acquisition code, you can pick up the hard copy or digital copy. Link for that will be down below. It has a lot of great stuff on AI, leveraging that in your business to book your calendar of qualified leads, use tools like GoHighLevel, do Facebook ads, marketing, all that good stuff, systems, operations, hiring. A lot of value packed into this book. I poured my heart and soul into this book. And other than that, guys, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Hope you guys are having a great weekend, or have a great weekend, and hope you guys had a great week. Keep positive, and of course, accelerate your stride. Take care.